In this video, I'm going to go from this to this. So as you can see, this tire blew out in the well of the Thunderbird, and the size is 185/60/17, which is difficult to find. There's a company called Maxxis that has them for, at this time, $160, or I think I can step up to a 205/50/17 and put just a regular tire in here. So now I'm going to go to the tire store and see if that is a possibility. Okay, so I went to the National Tire Discount Battery Store kind of place, and anyway, they would not mount a 205/50/17 on the spare tire rim. The rim apparently is a ½ inch too narrow by their specifications to do such a thing. So I did what any normal, reasonable person would do. I went to an independent tire dealership and had them mount it. So do I recommend doing this? Probably not. Not after seeing what it took for them to get that tire on the rim. I would recommend going with the Maxxis route just to be safe. And in fact, I probably will end up switching this tire to a Maxxis at some point. But I'm in this deep, so I'm going to leave it on there for now. I know some other folks that have done this and have had good results with it. So I'm going to throw that caution out there that this tire is probably too wide for the rim. And if you do mount it, I did not recommend it. So anyway, so if you would tell me your thoughts and experiences down there in the comment section. I would love to hear if you have done this, or if you're thinking, no, this is stupid, don't do it at all. Please let me know. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. I would well,